Agriculture is the most healthful, most useful, and most noble employment of a man. Agriculture is a primitive activity which produces most of the food that we consume. It also produces raw material for various industries. Two-thirds of population is engaged in agriculture activities only. India is an agriculture important country. Agriculture is an age old economic activity in our country. Cultivation methods have changed significantly depending upon the physical environment, technological know how, socio cultural practice. Farming varies from substantial to the commercial. At present, in different parts of country, the farming systems are practiced in a different manners. Agriculture in India. The agriculture point of view, India is a unique country. It can grow almost every kind of crop. India is a land of varied climate. We have almost all type of climate found anywhere in the world. The Tropic of Cancer run almost half a way through India. So the southern half of India belong to the tropic while the northern half of the subtropic climate. We have region of heavy rainfall, moderate rainfall, low rainfall and scanty rainfall. Almost all kind of soil such as fertile, black soil, laterite soil, red soil and desert soil are found in India. India is quite a large country and as such it has a large area under cultivation. Again, there is a growing season all the year round. All this factor enables India to grow almost every possible crop. Primitive substantial farming is still practiced in few pockets of India. Primitive substantial agriculture is practiced on a small patches of land with the help of the primitive tools. This type of farming depends upon monsoon, natural fertilizer of a soil and suitability of the other environmental condition. It is a slash and burn agriculture. Farmer clears a patch of land and produce cereals and other food crops to sustain their family. When the soil fertility decreases, the farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of land. This type of shifting allows nature to replenish the fertility of the soil through the natural process. Land productivity of this type of agriculture is low as the farmer does not use fertilizer. In substantial farming, the main production is consumed by the farmer's household. Majority of the farmer in our country practice substantial farming. In such type of farming, the land holdings are small and scattered. Mostly the farmers use primitive tools. The farmers engaged in farming do not use fertilizers and high yielding variety of the seeds. Types of farming. Primitive substantial farming, intensive substantial farming and commercial farming. First we take about the primitive substantial farming in which the farmers use a small land, practices on a small land with a natural way without using a natural fertilizers or primitive tools they are using. It is also known as a slash and burn agriculture or we can call it a shifting cultivation. It is known by the different names in a different area. Next we take about the intensive substantial farming. This type of farming is practiced in area of high population pressure on land. Labor intensive farming. High dose of biochemical inputs in irrigations are used for obtaining the higher production, leading to the division of land among successive generation. Land holding size uneconomical. The farmer continue to take maximum output from the limited lands. Commercial farming. The main characteristics of the commercial farming is the use of high dose of modern inputs, HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides in order to obtain higher productivity. Varies from region to region. Rice is a commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab, but in Orissa it is a substantial crop. Under the commercial crop, we simply understand in a manner where we get a lot of return. That is called a commercial crop. Which grow crops in a sole aim of selling or for commercial purpose. By using various scientific methods and technique, the production of rice and wheat, millet, spices, cotton, jutes has witnessed a tremendous increase. The farmer can now sell them on a commercial line.